guys, so this is the easiest mutton karahi recipe, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. So our onions are brown. Now we are adding our 3 pounds of mutton in there. So after frying it for 5 minutes, we're gonna add our ginger and garlic paste. I would say 3 tablespoons. After stir frying it for 10 minutes, we're gonna add our dry spice. Here we have 2 spoons of curry powder, 1 spoon of black pepper, and this is fennel flour, 1 spoon, and red chili powder, 1 spoon. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, half tablespoon. And you're gonna stir fry it now for 5 minutes. Some water, like 300 ml. We're gonna let it cook at least for 20 minutes on a medium flame. So at this point, you guys can check if your meat is tender. If it's not, you can let it cook for next 10 minutes or so. In my case, it's ready, it's soft, it's tender, so I'm adding the tomatoes, and these are 6 fresh tomatoes chopped. We're gonna just let our tomatoes to get cooked at least for 10 minutes. So some cilantro and green chili, it gives nice flavor to the karahi, plus it's a good color combo. So here guys, we are almost done with the process. We're gonna just let it simmer now for the last 10 minutes. So in the end, we're gonna just top it off with some fresh chopped mint, and it's all done, and it's time to serve, guys. Hopefully you guys like the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye now.
Thank you.